So to make a Hessian felting mat, you will need some rice and some Hessian. So this is a tight weave Hessian that I've used, and I have cut it to a rectangle which is 16 inches along this way and 9 inches in height. So now I have folded the piece of Hessian in half, and I'm going to sew along the edges, leaving about 1.5 centimetre seam allowance, but I'm going to leave one corner unsewn. And this will allow me to fill the felting mat with rice. And now here you can see this is just the corner I've left unsewn, but the rest I have sewn all the way round. And I'm just going to sew around the seam again, just to make the seam extra strong. And now I'm just going to turn the bag that I've sewn the right way out. And then you need to just make sure that all the corners are pulled out. And you can use a pair of scissors to help push the corners out if you're struggling with this. So now that's done, you just need to fill the felting mat with rice. So I'm going to just tip the whole bag in. So now that's done, you want to turn the edges in of the open corner, and you just want to pin it like I'm doing here. And then if you pin all the way along this edge, making sure the rice is behind the pins, this will make this edge easier to sew. So now this is done, we're going to basically sew round all the edges now, and this just gives it a top stitch. And then once that is done, you are left with your finished felting mat. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll be making more soon.